Cabinet goes on 3-day retreat. Government monitors earthquake in the Caribbean Sea and...
Simply put, Ian Bowen was truly first class. Jamaica has lost a true patriot.
You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Carrie-Ann Smith. At the top of the week, Prime Minister Andrew Holness led Cabinet in a 3-day retreat. Among the matters discussed were plans for the 2018-2019 budget, economic growth, and the ongoing wage negotiations with the public sector. National security and safety issues were also discussed during the retreat, which started on Wednesday. On Tuesday night, Prime Minister Holness turned his attention to a 7.6 earthquake that hit off the coast of Honduras. A tsunami warning was issued for Caribbean countries, including Jamaica. That warning was lifted a few hours later. Back on land, a trough disturbed weather patterns causing severe flooding, land slippages, and blocked roads. The eastern parishes of St. Mary and Portland were severely impacted by the trough. On Wednesday, Prime Minister Holness deployed the Jamaica Defence Force to assist in recovery efforts. The Army, in partnership with the National Works Agency, cleared blocked roads with a front-end loader and bulldozer. The JDF also coordinated the issuance of relief supplies to communities cut off by up to 15 feet of water. And government, through the Minister of Tourism, issued 73 checks to raftsmen who have been impacted by the flood rains. The Prime Minister sat with members of the National Leadership Prayer Breakfast Committee Tuesday. The committee shared plans for the 38th gathering of the prayer breakfast scheduled for Thursday, January 18. Let's Stop It, Return to Righteousness is the theme for this year's staging. On Friday night, Mr. Holness showed his support for the entertainment sector, attending day 1 of the 25th staging of Rebel Salute. The Prime Minister also got the chance to see his brother, Kevin Mighty Mystic Holness, perform for over 25,000 persons who were in attendance.
He distinguished himself as fair, fearless, and balanced, and factual.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness paying tribute to the late Ian Bowen, former Chief State Liaison and Deputy CEO of the Jamaica Information Service. At Sunday's funeral held at the National Indoor Sports Centre, Mr. Holness remembered Bowen as an accomplished speechwriter who earned the respect and favor of countless political figures from many administrations.
My personal interaction with Ian found him to be the consummate communicator and scholar. Ian was able to seamlessly and authoritatively interweave information from current affairs, politics, sports, philosophy, religion, literature, economics, almost everything, into a conversation. The undeniable profile of true hard talk.
Bowen passed away on December 18, 2017. He was 60 years old. And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.